Today we have a luxury collective haul. I have really been shopping this year. I have picked up a whole bunch of different things. So I'm going to share everything that I've picked up. We'll start with the summer pieces. So the first thing that I picked up are some Hermes sandals. I've literally worn them, I just put them back in the box. So I got married this year, and for my hen do and obviously all my bridal themes and parties, I was wearing a lot of white, so I thought, you know, it made sense to just pick up some white Hermes all-round sandals, and yeah, I love them. I have them in the brown colour, and so I had to pick them up in white because, you know, in my bridal era, why not? I obviously will wear them a lot anyway, on holiday and stuff next summer, so I just feel like you can't go wrong. We all know they're not the most comfortable, but I do really like them anyway. And I picked them up in an 8, which is bigger, but they still fit fine. In fact, maybe they fit a little bit better. So I picked these up. This was actually a gift from my husband, and it's my first Loewe item, and it is this, I was gonna say beach bag, this beach tote bag. Is, oh, where's the front, this cute beach tote bag. I literally love it. I love the colour, I love the size. Perfect for holiday, perfect for summer, perfect to complete your cute beach look. I am obsessed. I love it so much. Let me actually see what the bag's actually called because I'm not sure. The small Loewe font tote in canvas. That's what it's called for anybody that wants to know, but I love it. And obviously it's better because it's a gift. So next I have another bag, and then the last 2 items are shoes. So it's another Gucci. So next I have another bag, and then the last 2 items are shoes. It is a Gucci bag, as you can see. Oh! Dropped it. I haven't actually worn this bag yet. Horse bit 1955 mini with a top handle. That was a mouthful, and it is in this black leather, and I love it. I love a small bag anyway. I am a queen of small bags. I don't really carry big bags. Maybe I will get there one day, but it's very much, I'm a small bag girl, and I love this. This is like the perfect size. I love that it's black. I love that it has this top handle. It also has a cross body strap inside as well, and you need that in London because things are crazy there. And I actually feel like it's got quite a bit of space. I feel like it fits. Let's see if it fits my phone. And it actually fits my phone as well. So yeah, I feel like it's a small bag, but it's got a nice bit of space. It's got pocket, little slot in the front as well for like card holder and cards. But yeah, I really, really like this bag, and I feel like I can get a lot of wear out of it. I think I'm gonna wear this weekend. It is time to let it out, let it outside. So cute. Okay, moving on, it is another Gucci purchase, and we have some shoes this time. I have wanted these for ages, and I finally got them. So I have got some Gucci leather loafers. I picked these up. I literally love them. They're so soft, so comfortable. A timeless thing in my wardrobe that I can wear loads. I actually picked up the loafers that you can like stand on the back of them. You can push the leather down at the back and slot your foot in, and it kind of doubles up as like a mule. I haven't actually worn it this way yet, but I feel like I definitely will in the summer. But yeah, I feel like you cannot go wrong with some black loafers. They're really comfortable, like I said. Such soft leather. I've literally worn them once and they didn't hurt my feet at all, which is rare for me. But yeah, I love them, and super versatile. Come with so many different things. I picked them up in 40.5, so 7.5, which is a half size up, and they literally fit perfectly. Last but certainly not least, my most recent purchase. It is Gucci again. Clearly I was loving Gucci this year. It's another pair of shoes. I haven't actually opened them since I bought them. I picked them up a couple of weeks ago, and I literally can't wait to wear them. I literally just went in for a look, and then I went to the shoe section, and the one was like, this is new season, autumn, and I was like, okay. And then I tried them on and I was like, yeah, I love them. Okay, so I picked up some Gucci boots. I really needed some ankle boots, so I picked these up. I don't know if they're to everyone's taste, but I really love them. I think they're really cute. They've got this silver kind of buckle at the back, and then the Gucci print halfway, and then yeah, just a nice leather boot that you can wear with your dresses, your jeans, your trousers, anything. You can get a lot of wear out of these. They're very cute, and I think they'll be really durable as well. I just had a quick look at what they're called, and they are the Gucci Slim Horsebit ankle boot. I will link everything down below anyway, but yeah, I love them and I'm really excited to wear them. I'll put a picture of when I was in the shop, but yeah, I think they go with everything. I'm very comfortable as well, which is the most important thing. And those are all the luxury pieces that I've picked up this summer, this autumn. Back to my clothing shopping from now on. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!